So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Here in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can organize, how you can easily change the color of the folders in Google Drive in order to organize them properly. Now, in order to do it, just simply go to the Google Chrome Drive and here right click on any of the folder that you want to change the color of. Now here you can see multiple options. Just simply go to this option of organize, and from here you can see you can choose the folder color. Like for example, if I set this one red, then I can go again on this folder and set this one blue. So I can change folders colors anywhere I like, any color I want, so that they all of them can be organized easily. You can do it with multiple folders. There's no limitations for the same, so you can customize multiple folders all together. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.